To spotlight content on your WordPress website means highlighting specific posts, pages, or sections to draw attention to them. Whether you want to spotlight an article, product, or feature, here's how to do it easily. Use a featured image. Edit your post or page. Open the post or page you want to spotlight by going to the WordPress dashboard and selecting Posts, All Posts or Pages, All Pages. Add the featured image. On the post or page editor, scroll down to the featured image section. Upload or select an image that visually represents the content and make it eye-catching. Publish or update. Once the image is added, click Publish or Update. Highlight with widgets or plugins. Add the Spotlight widget. Go to Appearance, Widgets, and add the widget to your homepage or sidebar that highlights specific posts, categories, or pages. You can use a plugin like WP Featured Content and Slider to display spotlight content in a slider or grid layout. Use plugins for special effects. Consider using plugins like Content Spotlight or Simple Banner to create eye-catching banners or pop-ups that spotlight important content.